Welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Thursday, December the 5th, and I'm gonna start this Thursday rewind with gold. To be honest with you, as you can see, gold this week is not giving us nice plays. Unfortunately, um, I'm also having some trouble getting the right direction, but let's move forward to 8 a.m. this morning. So this morning, unfortunately, I took a loss on gold. I was going to follow this break of structure here on the 15 minutes. So I switched to the 1 minute as soon as the session started. I waited for the price to give me an evidence, and I was lucky because at 8:17 price moved back up and shifted the internal structure. I waited for the price to come back to its OB. As you can see, there was already a mitigation here, but I decided to enter my position here manually, and the price gave me a nice profit, accepted the new high. So I was really positive on the outcome of this trade in order to go back at least into this order block here for a almost 1 to 5. But then price started to come back, and I was not worried at this point. I was worried when the price got here at 9 a.m. but I was sure that I was positive that because of this price accepting the new high, this could have just be a sweep only on this liquidity, and turned out that to be exactly what I thought it was. But unfortunately the price then didn't have the strength to move back up, so I took my loss for today. Meanwhile, I was also trading euro dollar, and I'm gonna show you what I caught on euro dollar. But let's move forward. I waited for the price to give me an evidence again, but then it started to range. We were waiting for the price to come back into this fair value gap here. Really nice move from the price on Wednesday. All right, back up here. So this was the OTE, this was the OB. You can see clearly also in the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna show you the OB here. All right, so pretty clear price action here, but unfortunately the price was really choppy these days. So I'm gonna jump forward to the New York session. Price ended up getting my take profit here on this OB, giving us evidence to go short. So I wasn't expecting the price to sweep these highs again. All right, and I was waiting for the price to give me an evidence to get my short. So I waited for the price to shift its direction, and you can see the first shift here after the new high, and the second shift here the price accepted the new low on the 15 minutes. The situation was a bit messy because at 2:30 we had economic event on the dollar, so we had to wait for the price to reach out of the 2:30 p.m. time, and I was waiting for the price to come back here into its own OB, so I could short the price here. But unfortunately it didn't go as planned. Price melted down drastically, accepting another low, didn't create another high. So you can say, why didn't you caught the price a little bit lower, like here, and entered again? Because guys, there was still pending liquidity here, so it was really dangerous for me to get into a trade like this, especially because it was ranging. It ranged for more than an hour, so it was a little bit confusing to see the price doing this. But then it melted down completely, and unfortunately I missed a big move because until the fair value gap was a 1 to 5, then it could have been a 1 to 7, and then almost a 1 to 10 down here, that is the final target of this price. So I mean, I was a little bit disappointed, even though I had a beautiful week last week, so I'm staying positive. But these kind of mistakes, that they are the things that you don't want to see on your trading account. But shit happens, and it's okay. I only lost 100 and something, so I was close to get back to 50,000, and I was risking $50 last week, 100 this week. So I was really positive on getting my account back up, and then started to risk again a 0.5 or even 1% on the trades that could have been 1% risk. So it doesn't matter right now. I'm still happy. I'm still managing to do my best, and I'm gonna show you euro dollar before after saving these things. So today was the 5th of December 2024, and that's it. I'm gonna hide this and we're fresh for the next day. I'm gonna show you euro dollar real quick. Okay, so euro dollar was kind of messy as well, but I thought that the price could have been it's up here, sorry, this is Wednesday. I thought that the price could have just gave us something this morning, because we swept these highs here. I want to rewind, give me 1 second. We swept these highs, and we were looking for bullish price action on the 8 a.m. session. So we had this 15 minutes continuation up here. Price came back to my Frankfurt order block. All right, didn't broke the low here, went back up, price went back up, and I wasn't a little bit confused about this price action, to be honest with you, but this could have been a really nice trade. Unfortunately, I was waiting for this new break. I didn't realize that this sweep of liquidity was enough for the price to go back up. So I was waiting for the price to break this high, come back here, and then probably get in. Unfortunately, the price got really high pretty soon, so I was disappointed about this as well. But it is what it is. So I waited for the price to give me a break on the opposite side to get this area rebalanced. Turned out that I was right, so that's the trade I actually took here. Right after this candle, I've decided to jump in my trade here on the retracement to get my trade here. Fortunately, the price went down, and I decided to close my position on the 1, 2, 3. But this is not a nice trade, to be honest, compared to this one. Risk reward 1 to 6, risk reward 1 to 3. I risked like $50 on this one, so because I already took the loss on gold, so I was a little bit disappointed as well. But that's it. And I want to jump to the New York session. We had data as well, because dollar is impacting gold and euro as well, and this could have been a nice trade as well. There was data coming half an hour, so I decided not to take this, and as you can see, I missed a big move as well. So we didn't have any break of structure here, only price coming back and back again. So it was not a clear price action to get into the trade, in my opinion. So again, we had to wait for the price to get the news, and nothing happened to me only the price going back up, and nothing actually. No confirmation for me to get in. There was this engulfing candle after this liquidity sweep, but you know, I'm struggling on taking these big bold moves. To be honest with you, I don't understand how sometimes, you know, things move so fast and you can't get in. It's just a thing that you know, I honestly don't understand. I don't like, but I left the charts because I was exhausted of seeing the price going up or down, and not understanding why or how to catch that move. So you know, this day was a little bit disappointing for me. I'm gonna show you the trades. As you can see, I told you I closed euro dollar a little bit earlier, so no good profit, and this loss on gold as well was something I didn't took that well. But I'm trying to stay positive. You know, I'm trying to be focused. Tomorrow is gonna be a shitty day because it's NFP day, the last NFP of the year. So you know, I don't wanna mess around with New York session. I'm gonna just trade the first 2 hours of the London session tomorrow morning, and then you know, I'm not gonna trade the NFP, as I don't wanna end the week too bad. So let's see how it turns out.